welcome back to my channel. Probably deja vu because you've seen this before. I hope you guys are doing really well. So you guys know I have loved Sample Beauty. You guys can already see by the title already what this video is about, but you guys know I have a massive love and space in my heart for Sample Beauty. They are an incredible brand, and I was gifted in PR. This post is not sponsored at all. I was gifted in their PR their newest launch, which is of their new Sample Beauty Erase and Boost bases. I was gifted all 12 of them, I think there are 12, yeah, 12 shades. I think these retail for about £12 each. I'm not too sure, but they're super affordable anyhow. I'm not going to review it next to any other. I'm just going to review this. Clearly, I have used this a few times. I wanted to give you a sort of like, not just a first impressions, but a review and explain to you how guys to use this best, I personally feel anyway. So yeah, if you want to see what my thoughts are on the Sample Beauty Erase and Boost base and you're into eyeshadow and all of that jazz, then please stay tuned. So the new Sample Beauty Erase and Boost bases, they're full coverage eyeshadow base and concealer. Erase, so apparently the erase part is to erase dark circles, redness and blemishes, and the boost is to boost eyeshadows. So it says how to use the spatula provided to remove the product from the jar, warm the product up on a mixing plate or on the back of your hand, and use a brush or makeup sponge to tap the product onto the skin. A sponge will provide you with more of a natural finish, whereas a brush will provide you with a more full coverage finish. So of course shades are fully mixable. So if you've seen the shade range of this, oh my god, for an indie brand on Instagram, they are killing it. So you can use this as an eyeshadow base, colourful liner, concealer, foundation, contour, whatever you like. So they did say, please note, shades will swatch differently than they appear in the jar. When opening the product, moisture may appear on the top layer. This is normal and is due to creaminess of the product. So they're £12.95 each. Or you can get all three shades for £30, or a bundle of all the shades for £120, meaning £10 per shade. And yeah, obviously you can find them at samplebeauty.com, Beauty by I think, and yeah, their Instagram is at Sample Beauty. So yeah, that is the little campaign sheet right here. I've given you all the information. Okay, so for reference, this is shade 1. This is what shade 1 looks like, which is the lightest shade. And this here is shade 12, which is the darkest shade. So all in between, probably going to end up launching more of these. I'm not too sure. I don't work for the brand, but they probably might. I'm not too sure, but yeah, this is the lightest shade and this is the darkest shade. I am so impressed. Chloe, honestly, you are incredible. That's the owner of Sample Beauty. You are incredible. Thank you. I actually quite often use shade 5. I personally think shade 5 is a good match for me. Also shade 3. I am going to be going in with shade 3 today just because it's probably going to be the most common. Probably 1 to 5 will probably be the most common. I'm going to go in with shade 3, show you how to use them. I have found that they are all the same consistency in terms of quality and whatnot. When I first used it, I'm going to be completely honest with you, probably because it was a new type of product for me, I don't really work too much with creams. I either like liquid creams or powders, but I am getting more into creams as a makeup artist. But yeah, at first, I'm going to be completely honest, I did not like this base, and I was like, do you know what, I'm going to give it more of a go. I'm going to use it once, because I had this tendency where I use it once and I don't like it and I never go back to it again. But I thought, do you know what, I'm going to keep at it, and now I love it. I really do love it. I'm scared to use it because I don't want to finish it. Of course, they're only £12.95, so I'd be happy to pick up more on samplebeauty.com. But yeah, the packaging is really cool. Really. Right, I'm going to do an eyeshadow look, but what I'm also going to use is, of course, either the Cult palette by Sample Beauty and the Paradigm Shift, because I know that they're formulated best to work with any eyeshadow palette, but I want to use a Sample Beauty palette. I do have a discount code. I think it's just at hanstluce. It's affiliated, so I do earn a slight commission, just to warn you. I think it's hanstluce. I'll put it on the screen. It's either hanstluce or hanstluce 10. Not too sure, but of course you guys can get your money off. I like to apply my personal preference. Obviously, of course, they say you can just take a little scoop of it off. They do come with spatulas, and then just apply it to your hand and warm it up and then apply it in the eye. I don't do that because I tend, because my eyes are very creased very easily. If I put too much product on there, they just crease like hell. So I'm going to go in with the shade number 3, as you guys can see. And I'm going to take this on a flat brush. This is a Sarah Artistry brow brush. I love this. Just her Instagram is just Sarah Artistry, I think. So I'm just going to take this, just warm it up. I'm just going to take a little bit on the brush as so, just keep applying. I do this for a little while, just so that we can just move the product around and make it sure it's not fixed, and make sure that the moisture is all distributed, so it's not like really dry, Just going to start to just pat it on my lid. I'm not going to put too much on, and I'm not going to do the whole carving out of the brows because the base is already done. So I really do like this. It's at first, when I first tried it, I put it all over and I was scared as hell. I was like, oh my god, what? But I just want this for a base. I don't want it to boost the eyeshadows because of Sample Beauty. Their shadows are already really good, so I don't want to boost the shadows too much, because sometimes I want more of a toned down look. But of course, for Instagram pictorials, you want that. So if you don't want it for, if you want it for Instagram pictorials or Instagram eyeshadow and you want to really make it pop, then yeah, definitely pack on a little bit more and make it a little bit more opaque, and don't go in with a sponge to blend it. But if you want something just for an eyeshadow base, everyday eyeshadow base, then of course you can have that. I'm just going to go in and make sure I've blended this in with a sponge, just so I can get a feel of what's going on. I'm going to go with a Crown Brush C511 brush. This is one of my favourites. It's a little bit dirty. Favourite brush to start packing on things with. So I'm going to go in. I do need another cult palette soon. I really do, because these two are my favourite shades, and that white, and I'm literally out of it. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is beautiful, beautiful shade. You only need a little bit. You take it. It's really pigmented. You only need a little bit, people. I'm going to pack this. Look at that, look at that. Guys, you all tell me all the time, oh, what type of eyeshadow, what eyeshadow palettes do you love, what's really pigmented? Doesn't this just tell you already? Look at it. So first I'm just going to start packing this onto the lid, and then I'm just going to start to wing it out as I would do. You want to be very careful with the Sample Beauty palettes, because they're so pigmented, it can mess up really quickly. But a few little marks. Just want to go in with another brush and just buff. Because these colours in this palette are super duper pigmented. You don't want to go overboard. I'm with the Paradigm Shift Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is a really beautiful, like, deep purple. In a sense, I'm going to go in with a Morphe M433 brush. This is really good as well. Just take that on a brush and start to pack it on. With this base, I have found that the shadows pack on beautifully. Like, they really pack on lovely. And I'm just going to bring this through the crease, nothing like too dramatic, just so that when we cut the crease, it adds a little bit of definition. What I'm going to do is I do like to cut the crease with this, but I want to use a white concealer. Now, shade 1 is really good for cutting the crease. I have used that. Just I prefer to use my Makeup Revolution one. Not that I don't like the consistency of the Sample Beauty one, just I have a preference. Okay, so the crease is cut. Right, now we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to grab the shade that we was using before. Where's the brush? So I'm going to go back in with the original brush that we was using. I'm just going to start to bring the shadow in just like that, just to create a little bit of a blend. Just bring it in. Do you know what I mean? Just bring it in like that. Like so. Now this could mess up really quickly, but hopefully, because of what we've done, the base, everything sits really lovely on this base, which I'm really enjoying. It really does sit lovely on top. Paradigm Shift 2 palette, and I'm going to take this slightly orange, or you can see my thing, slightly orange colour right here. I'm just going to start to buff that in just before we add a little bit of yellow, just ever so slightly. Sometimes what I like to do to get the pigment off, I add pigment to my brush, and then I just dust it off on my hand, and it just dusts off the excess without, like... Just going to buff this. Just start to buff it into the actual eyeshadow look. You know what I mean? Just ever so slightly start to add it in. Don't need to go too harsh, just ever so slightly. Make it blend into the pink. Just make it blend into the pink. So the same brush, we're going to dip into the yellow from the Paradigm Shift Volume 2, the matte yellow, and then we're going to go on top with probably a shimmer yellow. And just start to, just so you can sort of see where you're going with the yellow, you want to put a matte down, just so you have an idea of where it's going. Now we're going to go into this gorgeous yellowy shade right here. This is a yellow shimmer. I don't know what brush I'm going to take. Get the shimmer that we chose, which is this beautiful yellow one right here. Apply it to the brush. Look at that. Look at that, people. Look at that. And then we're just going to go in. Oh, I'm so happy with how this has turned out. Let me not jinx it, people. Doesn't that look bomb? Oh my goodness. Right, so last step, I'm going to go back in with our orange just ever so slightly and make sure we have a gradient, because sometimes when you do halo eyes and you don't have a gradient there, it looks really messy. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've done the rest of my face. I'm overall, like I said, I've already tried these bases out a lot. I really love the bases. I would definitely recommend it for you guys. Look how this eyeshadow look turned out. Look really good. Anyway, it's probably already up on my Instagram, so if you want to see a more detailed look and how it captures on photography, then feel free to head over to my Instagram. But yeah, I really love these bases. They look really well. Even on top of concealer that's already set, they work really well. They don't separate, they don't cling to dry patches. Even as a concealer for pictorials, if you're a pictorial person, this is really good as well. Really captures lovely in photography. For £12.95 as well, like, saving you a bargain. And because it's cream, I feel it will last longer than like liquid. Like liquid concealer will finish up quicker than cream concealer, so, or a cream base. So yeah, I definitely really love this eye look. What are your thoughts on the eye look? Please let me know. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more eyeshadow videos, I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow series, but if you want me to review more eyeshadow products for you, whether it's palettes, whether it's bases, whatever, please comment in the description. My discount codes for Sample Beauty will be in the description also. I love all of you guys. I hope you guys take care, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.